Hi students, good morning. Doing well, not giving trouble to anybody. Try to upgrade. You are trying yourselves to upgrade. As an individual, we have to grow ourselves. We passed the intermediate. We come across with it childish behavior. Now we are adults. We are citizens of India. We had responsibilities. What is the responsibility? We have to bear on shoulder our development, our growth, our happiness, our aims. Instead of our feel that you are a citizen of India, you are an adult, you are a grown and matured individual. You have to develop yourself as well as you have to contribute for development of your country. It's nothing but our country. Individual development will lead to family development, leads to nation development. Okay, students, the secret of Japan is in Sanskrit, one word is there called as Samikshakari. Is nothing but hard work. Government of Japan brought a rule that he should not be in office after 6 o'clock. After 6 o'clock. Why the government brought that rule? Most of the people are stick to office, continuously working 18 hours, 19 hours. They are not giving importance to home. That's why government brought rule maybe 2 or 3 years back. Okay, students, leave it about others. We have to work hard. We have to develop ourselves. We have to achieve our goals. Exclusively, we felt our happiness. Individually, students, pandemic given a choice to you that you have to inhale the evaporation for clear your lungs, for clear of your lungs. So you have to put that evaporation in front of you, put a blanket on us, feel yourself. You should not give to anybody, you should not open to any others. In same manner, happiness should have to be exclusively feel by us because we are whole and soul responsible people to create happiness for ourselves. Automatically, students, a flower plant which you are growing at your garden will give smell or roshni to. There were no limits, but that plant never think about selfish. In same manner, we were not selfish people. We are samikshakaris, means hard workers. The 3 years course, book knowledge, leave it about book knowledge. This 3 years course should have give us a good maturity to us. A good citizens, we have to enter into the society with a good citizen, as a good citizen. People, anybody saw us how to remember themselves. Oh, this person has changed a lot when his behavior after intermediate, and now it is very great change. Very great change. Students, our development is very important. Our satisfaction is 110% important. Our growth is very important to not to your neighbors, not to anybody. It is for us only. We are selfish in our enjoyment, in our achievement of goals. Our achievement will help to many people. Think students, Ambani or Apple people, Apple, Cook or whoever it may be, Amazon, these people are giving employment to many. Their hard work. You know, Amazon person, Bezos, I think, okay? He is usually sell the books. He started Amazon with selling the books. Now it became world number 1, number 2, number 3. So they never thought that I am working for myself. And they thought that they are working for others also. But indirectly, first they worked for themselves, which helps, and we are able to reap the fruits of their hard work. Okay, so Samikshakari is nothing but a hard worker. You are a person with good hard working, which helps you to develop yourself and feel your satisfaction. Okay, students. So in this video lecture, we are discussing about accounting standards. Accounting standards. Okay, accounting concepts we discussed, accounting conventions also we discussed, accounting. Now we are discussing about accounting standards. Standard means a basic documents, rules. Intermediate memo is there or not? In that it was given this X, Mr. K and K, he's got 980. You went to Maharashtra and admitted in BCom in Maharashtra, Nagpur College. It shows that document shows that you passed it. In same manner, accounting bodies will issue documents to follow those by the all users of accounting in their accounting process. Okay, those are called as accounting standards. They will mention in the accounting standard 1 what it explains, accounting standard 2 what it explains, accounting standard 3 what it is explaining, accounting standard 4 like that. Accounting standards 32 are there, 27 are mandatory, 5 are non-mandatory. Accounting standards are the written documents which has to be followed by the people, those who are preparing accounts, and bring a uniformity and standardization in the accounting. Accounting standards may be different from country to country, but that's why country-wise accounting standard boards are there, implementing and drafting agencies are there, as well as international accounting standard board also there, which will in general look after the uniformity among accountancy. We will also understand about the IASB and Accounting Standard Board of India also. Students, see the syllabus we last videos We discussed about all those. Presently, we are looking at accounting standards, meaning, importance, list of accounting standards issued by Accounting Standard Board. What are the accounting standards? Last video, what we learned, that I mean to remember in this video, in this slide. Right. So, what exactly the accounting standard is? According to the Bosch, accounting standards are the policy documents issued by the recognized expert accountancy body relating to various aspects of measurement, treatment, disclosure of accounting transactions and events. We are having a body called as ICA of India. That accounting body will frame the rules and regulations and issued documents. In that document, it explains to the people, those who are preparing the accounts and understanding the accounts, what they have to follow. So that's why these are called as policy documents. Policy documents issued by recognized expert accounting body. In India, ICA is there. Another one is Accounting Standard Board is there. So these will look after Indian accountancy. Accountancy rules, regulations, they will prepare and inform to the users of the accounting. So then 1935 or 1400 accountancy double accounting system was started in 1445. Till then there are many changes. So whatever the changes which are coming in the accountancy, that will be standardized, bring them into uniformity and inform to each and everybody. Students, you know very well about wearing the helmet. Once the government passed a rule, you have to wear the helmet. Later, it came to note that it is not a good practice of wearing substandard helmets. That's why another rule they passed. Helmets you have to wear with the ISI mark. Even though government is unable to stop the loss of lives, because even though you wear the helmet, if you are not wear the belt, then the damage is happening. Now the government passed a rule, you have to wear the belt also. If you are not wear the belt, then penalty will be imposed. And one more rule, pylon rider also has to wear the helmet. All these are rules were changed accordingly in same manner for the transparency of the accountancy. Accounting bodies will prepare a document. Those are called as accounting standards. Accounting standards means generally accepted models or ideals. So one accounting standard was given. I will show you the accounting standard. Okay? Accounting standard 12 is there, government grants. This standard deals with the accounting of government grants. Government grants are sometimes called by the other names such as subsidies, cash incentives, duty drawbacks, etc. Whenever the government of India came, there is no word of subsidy. Later, for encouraging the agriculture and usage of those, then subsidy word is there. So whenever the subsidy is there, then what is the treatment of that subsidy in accounting? That was explained in Accounting Standard 12. So these are the models. Accounting standard means generally accepted accounting principles. GAAP means the rule is given by the expert body. That accounting standard is given by the expert body that should be followed by all generally accepted accounting principles. Okay. Accounting standards are written documents containing gaps issued by ICAI, India Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. They should have to be follow that. These are documents which are accepted by all. 32 accounting standards are there as on date. The objective of accounting standard is to standardize the different accounting policies and practices followed by different business concerns. Okay, so there are many organizations are there which are following accounting, but they have to brought uniformity among all the organizations, That's why accounting standards has to be issued. Right. So significance or importance of accounting standard are provide a framework to produce reliable and standardized financial statements. Students, I hope that some of you tried for chartered accountancy. You appeared for entrance exam. You may succeed or may not succeed, leave it out that one. Even though you can try now by studying BCom. If you became a chartered accountant, once you sign on a particular paper, it is a standardized financial statement. Standardized financial statement means that you know very well about accounting rules and regulations. Once you sign on that, that is become a gold. You went to Muthoot Finance for gold loan. You given that ornament to them, and you are asking about a 20 lakhs loan. You are telling that ornament is gold. That ornament is gold. But Muthoot Finance don't give that immediately, will sanction that one. It will ask you to go to the person who will certify that it is exactly gold. If that certification was given, then they will issue the loan. In same manner, chartered accountants or the accounting bodies will issue the documents for standardized for producing the reliable and standardized financial statements. So the accounts which are prepared based on these accounting standards are reliable and standardized. Promote the proper and timely dissemination of the financial information to the management, investors, other interested users, and create a sense of confidence among them. What is the confidence, students? I have to trust a company which is not near to me, and I invest crores of rupees in that company. So what make me to believe that company will give profits? Students, you know IPO, initial public offer. I will subscribe shares. Company is in somewhere else, Delhi or Mumbai, head office. Manufacturing is Gurgaon. I never visited the manufacturing and I never visited the head office of Mumbai, but I will invest in the company. What made me to invest in the company? Financial statements of last 2 years or 3 years, which were prepared based on this accounting standards. So, accounting standards will help us to disseminate the financial information. What the company did, whenever it is issuing shares to general public, company published their 2 years results, which attracted me to invest in that company without seeing the head office, without visiting the manufacturing concern. Look at the share market. People will buy number of shares and crores of rupees they invest in daily trading. What made them to do that? Their intention is to gain, leave it about that one. But simply they don't put their hands in that trade market with reliable information. Only ensure the transparency, consistency, and comparability of accounting information. Accounting standards helps to brings transparency. Yes, if the trade results are published in newspaper, we come to know that these are audited by certified auditor, which is 100% perfect. And consistency means company may continue further. And comparability of accounting information, it provides 3 years information which helps me to compare their net worth or their net profit of last 3 years, understanding, giving information that company is growing year by year. Okay, students? So which makes this accounting standards? Take into consideration the business environment and laws of a country. Take into consideration the business environment and laws of a country. So, Indian laws are there. MCA, Ministry of Company Affairs or Corporate Affairs, will enunciate laws to follow by the companies, and accounts were prepared under those laws only. Applicable to all types of business, irrespective of their industry and size. Goods sold, whatever the goods you sold, journal entry will be the cash account data to sales account. Salaries paid, whatever the company it is, salaries account data to bank account. Irrespective of company and size, then the rules and regulations will be same. Provide flexibility by facilitating an organization to freely adopt any of the practices with a suitable disclosure. Meaning, so I am running one type of organization. For me, diminishing balance method is good for me. For my organization, it may be suitable. So I will do that one. I will adopt that one. And when you are following, you are running one other business, you will adopt, which is the straight line method. Okay? And for my business, educational institution, there is no bad debts. I won't prepare any bad debts reserve. For banking business, then they will prepare. Their risk is more. The irrecoverable loans are there. They provide more amount and bad debts reserve as bad debts reserve. So these accounting standards will also give flexibility in preparation of adopting the rules and regulations or practices. Okay, see the list of accounting standards. Accounting standard 1, disclosure of accounting policies. Accounting standard 2, valuation of inventories, stock valuation. Accounting standard 3, cash flow statement. 4, contingencies and events occurring after balance sheet date. If anything is happened, it was mentioned what to do. Net profit or loss for the period or prior period items and changes in accounting policies. That is 5. 6 was not mandatory, I think. 7, construction contracts. 9, revenue recognition. 10, property, plant and equipment. Foreign exchanges, government grants, 12 already explained. Okay, 13 for investments, 14 for amalgamation, 15 employee benefits, 16 borrowing cost, segment reporting, disclosures, 18, lease, 19, EPS, earning per share, 20, consolidated financial statements, 21, and 22, 23, you can look after this. By stopping the video, also you can go through the text. Okay, 29. Remaining 5 are not mandatory. You can see the textbook also. Okay, students. So now we look at the board. What are the accounting standard boards? International Accounting Standard Board is an independent body, provide private sector body that develops and approves the international financial reporting standards. Reporting standards means there are students of 120 are their intermediate. Everybody will get different marks. Answer is same because your way of answering and your content will be different one to the other. But a paper was given to you which is exact answer. If you write that one, everybody will get 10 marks. Okay, so this International Accounting Standard Board will give directions how to report the accounts to the open world or to anybody users of the accounting. International Financial Reporting Standards. And International Accounting Standard operates under the oversight of IFRS Foundation. It was formed in 2001. 14 members are there. Present chairman is Hans Hugerwest. He belongs to Netherlands. Vice chairman is Lady Hugh Lloyd. Belongs to maybe not Netherlands. That will be misrepresented, I think. New Zealand. Yes, New Zealand. Okay. That is the International Accounting Standard Board. Then coming to the Indian Accounting Standard Board, that was Institute of Chartered Accountant of India is looking after or constituting this board. It was established in 1977 and members are from the different fields, industry experts, government, law, government controller, auditor general, COG. Okay, he is the chairman. Vijay Kumar is the chairman for Indian Accounting Standard Board. Students, just to simply you will understand, which we thoroughly learned accounting systems. Those are single entry system. You learned very well. You got good marks in this single entry system. Double entry, which is part of our accounting, double entry system. Manual accounting system. Now nobody is following this manual accounting. Computerized accounting. Everybody is following this computerized accounting. And in that computerized accounting, some of the softwares which I listed here, just you look at typing them in Google and verify their features. Okay, students? Bye. We will meet you in next video with accounting equation. And later also, I will solve on screen how to then be thorough with the accounting equation and be prepared with a notebook to solve along with me accounting equation. Okay, students? Bye.